Serving Brevard and Indian River counties, Florida Overhead Garage Doors offers a wide variety of repairs, replacements, and hurricane upgrade packages. We have many brands and types of doors available to find the one that suits your needs the best. Wood and metal garage doors, sectional, ranch style, window garage doors, and more. We also carry roll-up commercial doors, rolling steel doors, and chain link security doors. Licensed, bonded, and insured, we are a proud member of the Better Business Bureau and Chamber of Commerce. We are accurate, affordable, and always on time. We are open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and 24/7 emergency service is available. We accept Visa, Discover, MasterCard, and American Express. And don't forget about the Florida tax rebate for purchasing an energy-efficient garage door. So go ahead, give us a call today, 321-636-3646, or browse our website for more information about garage door openers or garage door service and repair. FloridaOverheadGarageDoors.net.